Crypto Dough. Welcome on into another episode, and today we will be discussing and diving deep into Block V. V. Block V, the Web3 operating system. And you guys know the Web3 is a very important space. To me, it is the next space. This is what's going to make blockchain so entertaining, so user friendly. We're talking about different interfaces. But before I get into it, that's the only thing I ask for you guys to do is subscribe to the channel and help me get to 10,000 subs. Help me get to 10,000 subs. I've been doing this for well over 6 years. So I decided to share everything I know with you guys. The next one on the list is BlockV. Just the other day, I talked about XCN. I talked about a lot of different things. Swiftcoin, Jasmine, XRP, of course, a lot of different XPR, just to name a few. But BlockV, let's just say that you're 10 years ahead of your game. Listening to this podcast right now, you'll be 10 years ahead because I had a deep dive into BlockV. I said, oh, okay. And it's also linked to XCN, if you guys didn't know. A lot of people are battling. Is it BlockV? Is it XCN? I mean, it's whatever choice you would like to make. But if you want to know where the crypto space and the blockchain is going next, it's literally going to Web3. That's the next big thing. That's literally the next big thing. But let's get into it. BlockV. Also, I asked you guys, protect your assets, right? I left the link in the description as well. I'm going to pin it to the chat as well. Protect your assets. After you get your assets from these decentralized or centralized exchanges, make sure that you put them on your own wallet. And this is why you put them on your own wallet, because you literally can become the bank. You are the bank now. This is what banks are so afraid of, because they say, oh, wow, technology wiped us out. Wow. When the last time have you ever been into a bank? Like literally walk into it. You know, everything you can do in a bank, you can do on your phone or on a computer, right? Do you know that? So that right there put them out of business. Now we have crypto and blockchain and Web3 technology. It's over with. That's why every time you have a large transaction, they gotta, hey, are you sure that you want to make this transaction? Or they deny your, say for instance, you want to order 10,000 worth of something and you have it on your debit card. They're asking you, hey, they blocked the transaction. By the time they block the transaction so many times, sometimes you gotta call, you gotta wait 30 minutes. By the time you try to jump in a trade, you done missed the whole thing. So to me, they're in the way. Well, you know what I do now? I hold my money on RUSD and stable coins, basically, right? So when it's time for me to off ramp and access my money, if I want to change it to fiat, I could change it into fiat. But if you're doing the opposite way around, changing fiat into a stable coin, it might take forever. Just on these centralized exchanges. Why set yourself up like that when you don't have to, right? So I've learned how to use these apps, use these technology as bank accounts like Uphold, Coinbase, decentralized platforms, USDC. I like RLUSD. And I use that as my debit card. Just saying. So when a project go down, I don't have to wait to transfer, to do this, to do that. No, it's just automatically swap it out. Uniswap as well. So, okay, let's get into BlockV. Make sure you protect your assets, though. That's another thing. Get you your ledger. All right, let's get into BlockV, right? What is BlockV? The Web3 operating system is powering 100 brands. Whoa, when I see that, absolutely amazing. You said 100 brands, which means that your network is with 100 different brands. I wonder who the brands are. Brandon, who are you, Brandon? I want to know who the brands are. Immersive experience and rewarding user for engagements. That's good. Tokenization and rewarding your clients in order to get things off the ground. To me, that's a perfect strategy. It's a perfect strategy. Perfect. This is so smart NFTs, which is new. As it's called SNFTs, right? Which is good because they have use cases. Web3 wallets, y'all see the number. Transactions, y'all see the number. V consumed, y'all see the number, right? The blockchain agnostic smart NFT protocol created by BlockV leverages Web3 technology to drive engagements and utility at scale and is already employed by a wealth of Fortune Global 500 companies. Look at the companies, guys. Axe, just to name a few. You want to smell good? Visa. That's the game player. X Games. Jameson. Y'all know the alcohol, the whiskey, though I don't drink and I don't smoke. You got the NBA, right? You have something that's called Gucci. Oh, that good old Gucci is there. You have the ice cream company, the Ben's and the Jerry's. You have the Burberry. You have the American Express. You have the S Pepsi. Good Life Fitness. I'm just naming a few of them that's scrolling across the screen. Do you guys see that? You have these things. Accenture, Bagatelle, Yahoo. So these are a couple of the companies that they're broadcasting, a couple of the big ones that they're broadcasting, right? Which means that they're well orchestrated and their network has to be somewhat brilliant. And their network is copacetic, right? If you don't have a network, then what's the point? BlockV has built the world's leading protocol for creating, minting, and distributing next generation smart NFTs, non-fungible tokens that act as a standardized framework to build a digital goods economy of engagements. BlockV's platform partners include Smart Media Technologies and VTOM or Vedom Corporation, which are two leading, the building blocks of a new digital engagement. Okay. Geo drops and air scavenger hunts. Designed for geo discovery, a smart NFT that can be dropped onto a map and captured in augmented reality. So that's kind of like a gamify. Given the opportunity to create fun and gamified, I just said that, gamified AR experiences to enhance the relationship between the users and the brands. That's an excellent use case. Oh, that is an excellent use case. Okay, let's continue. Okay. Reward social sharing engagements. A smart NFT power campaign can benefit from social media integration. Since each interaction with a smart NFT is stored on a blockchain, it's possible to provide incentives, instant rewards, and amplify smart NFT campaign with social sharing. That's actually excellent. So you get paid to share socially. Um, Digital, that's a good word, and real world assets. Smart NFTs can represent a physical product. Oh, that's good. Or assets in digital world. These phygital assets blur the lines between the physical and the digital realm, offering new possibilities for ownership. That's excellent. Acceptability, transparency, and user experience in the world of real world assets. So they have a lot of use cases. And if it has a use case, I definitely want it if it has a use case. If it has a use case, I am all aboard, right? Interactive do. A smart NFT can be acquired via image recognition, creating an amazing dynamic experience in which customers can easily pull off a virtual object from a digital out of the home media that contains valuable information as part of the game or that carries a real and redeemable product. That's totally engaging. So they have a metadata layer, they have a transactional layer, they have an autonomous legal layer, they have a blockchain abstraction layer, and they have a user interface layer. Huh. The user interface, that this layer focuses on end user experience by allowing for the creation of an interactive, dynamic visual representation of the smart NFT. Creators can be Creators can develop a micro web app like dynamic user interface for each token where users can engage with the smart NFT through the interactive elements like buttons, videos, and games embedded with the token's interface. To complete the architecture, an open source web SDK enable the development of a user friendly wallet web apps to interact with the smart NFTs abstract away from the complexity of the back end system and providing a simple, engaging experience for the end users. So the API is definitely good, right? So that's just a couple of things about. I wanted to give it a briefing about that because I think this is an excellent product. BlockV, like I say, a lot of people aren't talking about this. Crypto Dough is. This is an excellent project. You're ahead of your time. Now let's check this project out on Coin Market Cap. We're going to check this product out on Coin Market Cap, and let's see what they have to say about this one. Let me know if you guys can see the screen. This is on Coin Market Cap, BlockV. Now, it's funny because on CoinGecko, this is actually 360 something. On Coin Market Cap, for some reason, I don't know if it's not updated or something, but Coin Market Cap, what you doing? I might have to add you in the video. What you doing? I don't want to lie to my audience. We have integrity over here. So you know what? Since I practice integrity, let's go to Coin Market Cap because I'm not going to do this with not Coin Market Cap, CoinGecko. It's good that we can compare and contrast, and this one is considered BlockV. BlockV. I'm just setting it up to make sure that everything is copacetic. Okay. We're getting somewhere. So y'all see on Coin Market Cap what they say it's 5,000 something XYZ. We're gonna stop sharing from Coin Market Cap and we're gonna go to where they have a little bit of better data right now. CoinGecko. This is what CoinGecko has to say. Let me know if you guys can see that wonderfully. Let me zoom in because sometimes the pixels be a little different. Okay. BlockV. Now y'all see the number. The number is it's ranking 383. So it's in the top 400, which is good. All right. Market cap is about 133 million, which it has a low market cap. The 24-hour volume is about 2 million, which is good. This is different. This is a gem because it has a low market cap, right? Pay attention. Pay attention what's going on. Now let's check out the graph. Let's check out the graph. Let's check out the charts, right? For 24 hours, y'all see what happened. It's up 4%. In 7 days, I don't know why this didn't change over here. What's the percentage that it's up in 7 days? Oh, maybe that's why I like Coin Market Cap. Anyway, in 7 days, it's over in a month, it's over well over 300%. Right? It's well over 300%. Now we're gonna, you know what? Let's go back to Coin Market Cap. Now they had the numbers wrong, but I like their user face a little better than I like because that don't show you the percentages and everything along that nature as Coin Market Cap does. So it has its plus and its minuses. Y'all need to update y'all platform coin market cap. Okay, so in a day, basically I wanted to show you guys something. In a day, it went up by 5%. In 7 days, it went up by 83%, right? Can you guys see that? It went up by 83%. That's what I want you to see. In a month, it went up by 279%. Can't beat that. In 1 year, it's up by 272%. And in all, it is up by 117%. With this, that's kind of low. That is kind of low. For this utility coin, or this technology, that's extremely low. Let's go to the markets. Where can you find it? Uniswap, OpenOcean, Uniswap, SushiSwap. Look right here. You can't even get normally I normally see 13 pages to 60 pages, depending on how popular the technology is. This right here is a gem. The fact that it's not everywhere, and it's $1 billion company. I'm talking about the people that actually run it behind it, that's actually behind these things. This is a sleeper. This is a giant. This is Web3. This is going to be the interface that it can be peer-to-peer, and you no longer need a bank. You no longer need anything. This is the ramp that's going to offload your money on an off ramp. This is it right here. Okay, let me tell you my top 5. Velo, BlockV, SHX, XRP, Stellar. Have more than that now, but for what's going on, you can't miss. Not financial advice. You can't miss. You cannot miss. This is what I like to see right here. 0 through, this is how you know a lot of people don't have it. 0 through 100K is 93% of people's addresses. So you're in the game. If you just put 1,000 in, you be the 6% in the 6%. A little more than 1,000, you be in the 6%. No one knows about this. 0.16% has 100K in it. Yikes. I need to get it up to 100K. The whales, of course, they majority. The others is minority, 43. 73% of people are holding this thing. Do you get it? The majority is holding. 14 is trading. You got the cruisers right there. BlockV is a cryptocurrency token that operates on the Ethereum platform. BlockV has a current supply of 3 million. Is that million or billion? 3 billion and some change, with another 3.5 billion in circulation. The last known price of BlockV is 0.0031942 USD and is 14.58 over the last 24 hours. It is currently known and is up 14.58 over, okay, maybe percentage. Okay. It is currently trading on 13 active markets with a 265.76 trade over the last 24 hours. Okay. BlockV is priced today at, okay. So I told you guys about BlockV. I'm going to leave everything in the chat. I'm going to leave everything in the description. Make sure y'all check out BlockV for sure. Make sure that y'all check out BlockV for sure. On that note, smash that like button. Get me to 10,000 subs. That's all I ask. Make sure y'all check out the BlockV for sure. I'm going to leave the sourcing in the description. So just go to the description, and inside the description, I will have something called source. And that's where I got my information from. So we can be extremely transparent on this platform. So go check BlockV out. So check BlockV out. It's a low market cap coin to me. It's under 150 million. As far as market cap, oh, that's super low. It's valued billions and billions of dollars. we're way ahead of our time with this one. That's all I'm saying. You're 10 times ahead of your time with the BlockV. Okay, on that note, peace, blessings, and love. Put on your seatbelt. We are about to take off. 5, 4, 3,